Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by setting the visible viewport. Create a frame sized to the area users will see. Then import or paste your image and drop it inside that frame. Make sure the image is taller than the frame so there's content to scroll. Once placed, enable clip content on the frame so excess pixels are hidden. This makes the frame act as a window. Now position the image top where you want the scroll to start. This creates the initial conditions for scrolling behavior. Once done, select the frame and switch to the prototype panel to set interaction. Choose vertical scrolling and verify the overflow direction. This tells Figma to let content move inside the clipped window. Make sure the image's constraints are set to top or left as needed, or use auto layout if you need responsive behavior. That keeps the image anchored when the parent frame resizes. Also review the image fill mode. Fill, fit, or crop, because scaling changes how much content is available to scroll, and that affects the user experience. Now preview your prototype in present mode to verify that dragging, momentum, and boundaries feel right. Try different device frames to confirm behavior. If everything looks correct, share or export the prototype link so stakeholders can test. For final polish, consider adding snap points or overlays, but make sure performance stays smooth. If the scroll stutters or fails, check that the image isn't excessively large, remove heavy effects or multiple masks, and make
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.